story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, leather seats, heads-up display. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2017 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.